Hey guys, we're going to change up our beats per minute. Now, if you're actually doing a bit of recording or practicing, you can throw a metronome on to have a go at this, but I kind of find it a little bit more fun to do this organically. And if you've got someone to jam with, it's pretty enjoyable. And you will have come across songs that speed up and slow down. So really the trick to it is just getting your foot tapping, getting a feel, getting a rhythm, and diving straight into it, and a bit of practice. All right, so we're going to go with a tune that may be familiar if you've done the fast changing chords tutorial. We're going to use A minor, E minor, C, and D major. All right, now we're just going to get a nice easy rhythm going, and then we're going to double time it, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You double the amount of beats per minute. Okay, so we'll just got that feeling. Now what I'm going to do after a couple of bars, I'm going to double time it. All right, and you see, really kicks it up. Okay, now you can use this also in reverse. So we're going to go from the fast, drop it back to the slow. Okay, so now, your catch here is going, all right, well, I'm pulling it up, pulling it back, counting your bars, okay? So when you double time something, the length of your song is going to change. So you want to really have a feel, especially if you're working with a vocalist, have a feel of how long they actually need and what you actually want to come up with there. So just play around with it. So if I've done 2 bars in standard time, I might want to then add 4 bars in with double time. Okay. Now, I'll give you an idea as well how this works with a riff. Okay. So say we're going there, we're going A minor. I'm just going to use a little, maybe an A minor pentatonic riff. All right, so now, if you want to double time that, then you're going to get tricky. So, all right, it does it in half the amount of time. Okay, so kind of tricky. All right, feel like that's given you a little challenge? Now, say if we start applying this sort of timing beats per minute, but we don't just want a half time, double time. say if you want to slowly speed up. Now, this effect can be awesome. So we'll try it with chords just for a start. So that same chord progression, and we're just going to slowly speed up the beats per minute. All right, so. Speeding up. The sky's the limit, or possibly your drum is the limit, but it's a good bit of fun. So what happens then when you apply that to a scale? All right, so if we've got a and you start to go crazy. So, look, I feel it works really well with chords. Getting a riff to go with it, really tricky, okay? But look, we'll leave your beats per minute there. Have a muck around, throw a metronome on if you want to, but it's a good one to have a practice with. I'll see you next time.